Ever wondered how to turn the power of the internet into a source of income? In the digital age, the possibility to make money online has become more accessible than ever. Today, we'll journey through several steps to take control of your financial future, all from the comfort of your home. Step 1. Identify your marketable skills. This could be anything from graphic design to tutoring, writing to coding, or even lifestyle coaching. Think about what you're good at and what you enjoy. There's likely a market for it online. Step 2. Create a strong online presence. Be it through a personal website, a LinkedIn profile, or a portfolio on a freelancing platform, make sure potential clients can find you and see your work. This is your chance to sell your skills and show the world what you can do. Step 3. Join freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a vast array of opportunities for freelancers. They provide a platform for you to connect with clients who need your skills. Remember, it's not just about getting the job done. It's about building relationships and networks that can lead to more opportunities. Step 4. Consider online tutoring or teaching. If you have a knack for explaining complex subjects in a way that others can understand, online tutoring could be a lucrative option. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com are always looking for experts in various subjects. Step 5. Try affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Amazon Associates is a popular choice for beginners in affiliate marketing. Step 6. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. If you've got something to say and a unique way of saying it, these platforms can be a great way to generate income through advertising and sponsorship deals. Step 7. Never stop learning. The digital landscape is always changing, and to stay ahead, you need to keep learning. Whether it's a new coding language, a new social media platform, or the latest SEO strategies, stay curious and stay informed. To summarize, making money online involves identifying your skills, creating an online presence, and leveraging platforms to connect with clients. It's about building relationships, promoting products, and sharing your unique voice. And most importantly, it's about staying curious and eager to learn. So, why wait? Start your journey to making money online today. You have the tools and the know-how right at your fingertips.